Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for making the smartest purchase decisions. Today, we're pitting two robotic vacuums against each other in a battle of the bots. On my left, we have the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop, and on my right, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. It's gonna be a showdown of suction, navigation, and pure robotic awesomeness. Let's dive in. First up, the price. Tikom here comes in at a wallet-friendly $299. Meanwhile, Shark AI Ultra is flexing its high-tech muscles at a steep $599. That's right, folks, you could buy two Tikoms and still have cash left over for pizza. But does higher price mean better performance? Let's find out. Suction power. Tikom boasts a respectable 2700 PA suction, which can handle short and medium pile carpets and hardwood floors like a champ. But Shark AI Ultra is here to say, hold my dust bag, with its incredible suction that can tackle the messiest messes on any floor type. It's like the vacuum equivalent of, who needs a gym when you have this beast? Next, let's talk navigation. Tikom uses Gyroscope Smart Navigation with a zigzag path, promising a 30% improvement in cleaning efficiency. It's like the vacuum is doing a funky dance across your floor. Meanwhile, Shark AI Ultra has Matrix Clean, which sounds like Keanu Reeves should be involved. It cleans in a precision matrix grid, making sure no spot is left untouched. Neo would be proud. Self-charging? Both vacuums got you covered. Tikom will dutifully return to its charging station when the battery is low, like a robot dog fetching its bone. But Shark AI Ultra takes it up a notch with a self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. That's 2 months of not having to think about vacuuming. It's like having a personal butler. If your butler was a dirt-sucking robot. Control options. Tikom offers app, voice, and remote control, with 5 cleaning modes to choose from. It's like having a tiny, obedient robot army at your command. Shark AI Ultra also supports app and voice control, letting you set schedules and initiate cleaning with just a shout. Hey Shark, clean my house. No, really, try it. It's like having a genie in a vacuum. Special features time. Tikom has Carpet Boost to triple its suction on carpets and boundary strips to keep it out of areas you don't want cleaned. No-go zone, Tikom. On the other side, Shark AI Ultra flaunts a self-cleaning brush roll that digs deep into carpets and prevents hair wrap. Perfect for pet owners. And don't forget its 360 degrees LiDAR vision for precision home mapping. It's like having a little Terminator that's really into cleanliness. Reviewers say that the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop is highly effective for daily cleaning, particularly for pet hair on hardwood floors, and is budget-friendly. However, it may require some initial setup and regular maintenance. On the other hand, reviewers praise the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum for its powerful suction and advanced features like self-emptying and precise navigation, despite some app limitations. Overall, both products have satisfied users, but each has its own strengths. So which robotic overlord should you invite into your home? Tikom is budget-friendly, packed with features, and great for everyday cleaning. But if you're ready to splurge, Shark AI Ultra offers top-notch suction, self-emptying, and advanced navigation. It's like choosing between a reliable sedan and a luxury sports car. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart and vacuuming smarter.